Welcome to Olivia English Practice.
Today, we'll learn action verbs through a fun, simple story. Follow along with Elisa and Jack as they chat about their mornings. Listen for the bold verbs. They're your learning focus.
What time do you wake up every day?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Do you cook your own meals?
Yeah, I cook lunch and dinner most days.
Can you help me carry these bags?
Of course. Let me grab one.
Why do you always rush in the morning?
Because I leave late and miss the bus.
Do you clean your room regularly?
I clean it every Saturday.
Where do you usually buy groceries?
I buy them from the market on 5th Street.
Do you watch TV before bed?
I sometimes watch a show to relax.
When do you usually take a shower?
I take one after jogging.
Do you drive to work?
Nope, I ride my bike.
What time do you go to sleep?
I usually go to bed around 10:30.
How do you study English?
I study by watching YouTube videos and practicing speaking.
Do you remember new words easily?
Sometimes, I try to use them in a sentence.
Why do you read so much?
I read to improve my vocabulary.
Can you explain this word to me?
Sure. Let me give you an example.
Do you write down what you learn?
Yeah, I always write notes.
How do you practice speaking?
I practice with a language partner online.
Can you repeat that sentence?
Yes, I'll repeat it slowly.
Do you understand this topic?
Mostly, but I want to review it again.
What do you do when you forget something?
I check my notes or ask a friend.
Did you listen to the podcast I sent?
Yes, I listen to it on the way home.
Do you exercise every day?
I try to run at least 3 times a week.
Can you lift this box?
Let me try. Wow, it's heavy.
Do you like to dance?
I love to dance at weddings.
Can you swim well?
I've been swimming since I was a kid.
Do you walk to school?
Yes, I walk for 15 minutes every morning.
Why do you stretch before workouts?
To avoid injury and stay flexible.
Do you jump rope?
Yeah, I jump for cardio.
What sports do you play?
I play football and tennis.
Do you ever climb mountains?
I climbed one last year. It was awesome.
Can you throw a football?
Sure, I'll throw it to you now.
Who usually cooks at home?
I cook most of the time. My mom helps too.
Do you wash clothes yourself?
Yes, I wash them every Sunday.
Can you fix the door?
I'll try. Let me get my tools.
Do you water the plants?
I water them every morning.
When do you usually sweep the floor?
I sweep in the evening after work.
Who will iron the shirts?
I'll iron them while watching TV.
Did you paint your room?
Yeah, I painted it blue last month.
Do you feed the dog?
I feed him at 8 a.m. and 6 p.m.
Can you open the windows?
Sure, I'll open them for fresh air.
Did you lock the door when you left?
Yes, I always lock it.
Do you work from home now?
Yeah, I work remotely 3 days a week.
Can you send me the file?
Sure, I'll send it right now.
Who will lead the meeting today?
Sarah will lead it. She's prepared.
Did you print the handouts?
I printed 20 copies this morning.
Do you call clients every day?
Yes, I call them for updates.
How do you manage your tasks?
I use a planner to stay organized.
Did you sign the agreement?
Yes, I signed it yesterday.
Who will present the slides?
You can present this time.
Can you schedule our next meeting?
I'll schedule it for Monday.
Do you earn good money now?
Yeah, I earn more than last year.
Do you often talk to your neighbors?
Yes, I talk to Mr. Jones every morning.
Can you call me after 8?
Sure, I'll call you around 8:30.
Did you invite Jake to the party?
Yeah, I invited him and his sister.
Why did you shout just now?
I shouted because I was excited.
Did he thank you?
Yes, he thanked me with a big smile.
Do you ask a lot of questions?
I ask only when I need help.
Can you tell me the news?
I'll tell you everything.
Did you greet the teacher?
Yes, I said, "Good morning, sir."
Why did you argue yesterday?
We argued over something silly.
Did you whisper something to him?
Yeah, I whispered a joke.
What games do you play for fun?
I play chess and mobile games.
Do you draw in your free time?
Yes, I draw cartoons and sketches.
Do you sing in public?
I only sing at karaoke.
How often do you travel?
I travel once or twice a year.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I visit friends and watch football.
Can you make origami?
Yeah, I make paper birds and animals.
Did you enjoy the concert?
I enjoyed every second of it.
Do you collect anything?
I collect coins from different countries.
How do you relax at night?
I relax by reading or listening to music.
Do you paint as a hobby?
Yes, I paint landscapes and abstract art.
Do you organize your schedule every day?
Yes, I organize my tasks in a planner.
Do you check your emails frequently?
I check them as soon as I get up.
Can you update the software on your laptop?
Sure, I update it every weekend.
Do you repair broken gadgets?
Sometimes I repair my phone when it malfunctions.
Do you share your ideas during meetings?
I always share my ideas openly.
Can you adjust the brightness on the screen?
Yes, I adjust it based on the time of day.
Do you record your thoughts in a journal?
I record them every evening.
Do you print important documents regularly?
Yes, I print them as needed.
Can you scan these papers for me?
Sure, I will scan them right now.
Do you back up your data daily?
I back up my data every night.
Do you delete unnecessary files from your computer?
I delete them to save space.
Can you download that new app?
Yes, I'll download it immediately.
Do you upload your photos online?
I upload them to my cloud storage.
Can you print the report for me?
I already printed it this morning.
Do you install new software regularly?
Yes, I install updates as soon as they're available.
Can you review this document?
I'll review it and send you feedback.
Do you compile data for the meeting?
I compile all the data before the meeting.
Do you compile data for the meeting?
I compile all the data before the meeting.
Do you analyze the trends in the market?
I analyze them every quarter.
Do you manage your expenses effectively?
I manage my expenses using a budgeting app.
Do you decorate your office space?
I decorate it with plants and photos.
Do you plan your meals in advance?
I plan them every Sunday.
Can you manage the household budget?
Yes, I manage it with a spreadsheet.
Do you check the weather forecast daily?
I check it every morning.
Can you fix the leaky faucet?
I fixed it last week.
Do you pack your bag before leaving?
I always pack it the night before.
Do you update the calendar with our events?
Sure, I update it regularly.
Do you save receipts for expenses?
Yes, I save every receipt carefully.
Do you organize the files on your computer?
I organize them into folders every week.
Do you double-check your work before submitting?